everybody, it's Disney Magic Diva. I wanted to give you an update on a new feature they have on the My Disney Experience app, and that is to let you know when the buses might be arriving for the park or Disney Springs or the water parks that you want to travel to. And so to find out your bus schedule, you just go into your My Disney Experience account and go to your resort reservation and hit View Room Details. And it comes up here where these little icons across the top, and one of them is the bus times. See, bus times. So you just click on that and it will tell you when to expect the buses for each resort. See, Magic Kingdom is going to arrive here at 9:05. Arrives at park at 9:11. So it's been very helpful for us. We know if we need to hurry and get out of our room, if it's almost time to go, and in fact our bus is pulling up. So we'll see you at the park. Bye.